Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 15,000 miles, and the car comes with Nissan service history. This particular colour is the metallic vivid blue and looks in good condition, fair your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the N-Connecta comes really well equipped. So first of all, looking at the seats, you've got the nice hard wearing fabric there. The seats are in great condition, but feature wise, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so opening the rear doors reveals a nice wide door opening, lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have 2 USB ports there in the centre for charging devices too. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, nice and square with the split folding rear seats. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have some extra storage and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.